King Kafu and the Moon, written by Tricia Cook, illustrated by Andrea Castellani. Chapter 1. Long ago, in a far-off land, in a tiny village, there lived a king. His name was Kafu.
"I am so brave,"
bragged King Kafu.
"I am not afraid of anything."
King Kafu's people thought he was the bravest king in the world. The thing was, King Kafu wasn't as brave as everyone thought. He had a big secret. King Kafu was afraid of the dark. Every evening, he would go to bed before it got dark. He would close his curtains and put on his sparkly pajamas. Then he would switch on his secret nightlight and get into bed. He loved his nightlight. It made the darkness in his bedroom go away, even when the sun went to bed. One night, as usual, King Kafu pressed the switch on his nightlight, but the nightlight didn't come on. "Arg!" screamed King Kafu. He felt very afraid. King Kafu hid under his covers as the sun went down. After a while, he felt braver and peeked out. He saw the light from the moon peeping through his curtains. He had only ever heard about the moon. He had never actually seen it. It was so big and bright and round.
"That's it," he said. "I will leave my curtains open at night. Then the light from the moon can keep my bedroom bright."
A few nights later, King Kafu went to bed as usual. But when the moon rose, it looked different. A piece of the moon was missing. The next night, King Kafu waited for the moon again. This time, even more of the moon was missing.
"Yarg!"
King Kafu screamed. King Kafu's guard charged into the king's bedroom.
"What is the matter?"
he asked.
"The moon! It's disappearing!"
cried King Kafu. The guard looked up at the sky. He could indeed see that the sum of the moon was missing.
"We must save the moon," said King Kafu. "Tell the villagers I will give 1,000 gold coins to anyone who can capture the moon. I will keep the moon in the palace where I can keep an eye on it."